Now swipe the firmware tutorial. Ready to boot tool drivers and upgrade firmware. Unsub the burning tool and driver first. After the decompression is completed, we will install the driver first. Then open the burning tool. Click Upgrade Firmware. Find the downloaded firmware. At this time, the burning tool showed that the device was not found. Double USB cable. Connect the USB ports on the computer separately and OTG ports on the main board. Next, connect the power supply while holding down the reset button. And do not release the reset button. Be careful not to use metal objects to hold down the reset causing short circuit. At this time, the burning tool will prompt that a loaded device is found. Click on Advanced Features to erase all. Click to enter Masterchrome after erasing is complete. Then click Upgrade Firmware Upgrade. Just wait for the upgrade to complete.